Paano nga ba gamitin ang ating POS system? First, type the name of the customer. So, dito, list of customers po tayo. Then, long press. Choose whatever kung per kg or per load. Then, here we are going to choose the per kg, the Fabcon, and the detergent. So, kung ilang kilo po, i-input lang natin siya. For here, it's 5 kilos and then 1 Ariel and 1 Downy. Then, we're going to choose what mode of payment. So, kung bayad naman na po ng cash, input lang natin si total amount paid. So, lalabas na din po dito yung list and then long press and then press the washer. So, here we chose the washer 3. Ngayon po, dito, hindi siya gagana ng manual. Di ba hindi pa po natin na yes kanina sa system? Kahit anong pindot ni staff, hindi talaga siya gagana. So, going back, i-confirm na po natin yung activation sa washer 3. Then, after confirming that, pwede na po nating i-start si washer. Tsaka pa lang po gagana yung washing machine natin. And then, sa list of transactions, nakalagay po dyan yung, yan, mga pending yan. So, nag-wash na tayo, okay na yon. Ngayon, nakalagay si dry. Kasi hindi pa tayo nagda-dryer. Then, here, for the dryer, ganun din po. Kailangan i-activate. For unpaid transactions naman, here, we can update it by tapping it and then choose kung cash or GCash. Then, for GCash, just input the reference number and then po, ma-update na siya sa tamang time and date of payment. With this green tablet naman po, the tablet of the owner, here we can edit and customize the list of names and the items. Depende po yan. Even the inventory, we can update it anywhere. So, here, halimbawa, nagdagdag tayo, i-input po lang po natin and even the price. Also, here, sa tablet ni owner, makikita natin kung nakailang counts or nakailang runs yung machine and the daily sales, the unpaid, paid, GCash, and the summary of our sales. Also, makikita din natin yung mga pending transactions for wash, dry, and extra dry. So here, if we have maraming staff, we can add and remove staffs here and create their own username and password. And that's it. Thank you for watching and we pray to serve you soon.